Hello friends. Fresh air. Today I am going to talk about a blend called Breathe in the United States, or if you're in many other countries, it's called EasyAir. It can come in a 15 ml or a touch roller, and what that means is that it's diluted with fractionated coconut oil so that you can apply it directly onto your skin as such. All right, so what does Breathe or EasyAir do? How I like to use it is I like to use the essential oil, the pure essential oil in the diffuser at night before bed to help open up my airways so that I can breathe better, and therefore if you can breathe really well, then you can fall asleep and have a deeper, more restful sleep. I often combine the EasyAir or Breathe with a little bit of lavender in my diffuser at night, and there's several reasons for that. Lavender is known to soothe and calm and help with sleep for the majority of people. Some people it actually makes them a little bit more excited, so monitor that, see what's good for you. And the other great thing about lavender is that it helps with seasonal threats, and it's kind of like nature's antihistamine. So let's go back to Breathe and EasyAir. It has laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, Ravensara, which is not a very common oil to get. What these oils do in combination, but specifically the eucalyptus, as many of us have experienced, and the peppermint actually helps to clear airways so that we can breathe better. It helps to assist in taking oxygen into our bloodstream and into our airways because it's opened up our airways. The cardamom and the lemon help to cut mucus. So if we have a buildup of mucus from, it could be seasonal allergies, or it could be because of a cold or anything like that, the lemon and the cardamom help to break down and cut that mucus so that our airways can open up more. So the combination of all these oils help us to have easier breathing, help us breathe better, feeling like we're more open and less constricted. So I, again, love using this oil diffused in the diffuser at night, or if somebody's feeling really congested in the house, this is a great oil to diffuse during the day as well. Especially if somebody has a cold or, cold flu, feels stuffed up, things like that, has a hard time breathing, that's what you need. And the roller is obviously great if you're on the go, or you just need to, you can put a little bit in the bottom of your hand and breathe it in like such. On an emotional level, this particular blend is wonderful for letting us feel less constricted, but also because it's connected to the lungs, it can help with the process of grieving. If you're dealing with any kind of grieving, emotional issues, or where you feel constricted in your lung area, then using the EasyAir or the Breathe oil on a regular basis until you can feel that release and you can breathe better, it's an excellent option. If you want a healthy airflow, take a good deep breath. Maybe you're doing some yoga or exercise, or maybe you're going for a run and you need that more oxygen coming into your lungs. Whatever you're doing, you need to breathe more deeply and more clearly. Either the touch or diffusing it are great options. Great in the shower as well if you need that extra opening. Thanks. If you have any questions, or if you want to know how to get these oils, message me directly. I can help you with that. If you have any special requests about certain oils, let me know. Thank you. Bye.